Ephesians 5, verse 19 says, singing to one another with psalms, hymns, and spiritual songs. Throughout history, we've seen the evolution of church music. We have, in more recent times, done a lot more of singing of the songs and the spiritual songs, the psalms. But a lot of our church music was rooted in our hymns. I often teach our worship teams this, that the psalms teach us our intimacy, the spiritual songs teach us, a rhema word from God, but our hymns teach us our theology, and it is where our church music is founded upon. This month, we get to celebrate a lot of the hymns that we sing in our church, and I want to start by looking at that hymn, Come Thou Fount, written by Robert Robinson in 1758. Come Thou Fount speaks of an experience that he has had with God. And I want to share some information with you that I've read and in our research have understood. Robert Robinson grew up and he was born and raised in 1735. Born in 1735 and he died in 1790. And Come Thou Fount for him was an anthem and was a personal declaration of his life with the Lord. One of my favorite parts and the favorite line in the last official stanza is, prone to wander, Lord, I feel it, prone to leave the God I love, is thought to be particularly an autobiographical, referring to Robert's earlier life when his mother sent him to London and he was supposed to be an apprentice and got caught up with the wrong crowd until he heard the preaching of one named Charles Whitfield, and that set him on the right path to live a life for God. He eventually became a preacher, a Baptist preacher, and he started his own church. But Robert Robinson has written many hymns, and we are so grateful for persons like himself who have written hymns, ancient and modern, that we, the body of Christ, can sing. It is originally founded that there were 4 stanzas for Come Thou Fount, although we largely sing 3. And the reason for that is that when the Church of Christ started their hymnal, they only included 3. But I want to read for you the 4th original stanza. It says, "O that day when freed from sinning, I shall see thy lovely face, clothed then in blood-washed linen, how I'll sing thy sovereign grace. Come, my Lord, no longer tarry. Take my ransomed soul away. Send thine angels now to carry me to realms of endless day." It is my prayer that as we sing these hymns come Sunday, November the 28th, that you too will experience the wow and the wonder of all that these experiences come with the hymns. There is a story behind each and every single hymn that has been founded in the body of Christ. And on Sunday, November 28th, in our Sunday morning services, we get to celebrate the beauty of these hymns. Join us.
Oh, that day when freed from sinning, I shall see thy lovely face, clothed then in blood-washed linen, how I'll sing thy sovereign grace. Come now, Lord, no longer tarry. Take my ransomed soul away. Send thine angels now to carry me to realms of endless day.